The number one biggest secret to learning how to wood carve is angles, planes, and shadows. Based on how you cut, what angle you put the blade on is going to affect the planes of your carving, and it's going to give you shadows to help lift the front bits out and make them really visible. So for instance, when I'm carving a book, I keep my blade very straight, perpendicular, up and down, and I cut up and down because the book is very flat. But along here, I want to add texturing like this and make it look like the tree trunk is there. So I cut this on an angle here, and underneath I'll cut not straight up and down, but at an angle, undercutting underneath this part so that I can make this round over a little bit and appear more like a tree and less like a book. So it's about getting your blade, whatever you're cutting with, anything from a chip carving knife all the way to a chainsaw. It's about getting the cut to be on the angle that you want it to be to give the effect and the shadows that you desire. The second biggest secret about wood carving is learning to be aware of where the tip of your blade is when it's buried in the wood. If I'm not aware where that tip is as I'm carving along the edge here, I could push in too far and pop the book right off. So with experience and practice, you learn to just know where that tip is when it's buried in the wood.